If you've seen Manychat around and wondering how to actually harness the power of its software, today I'm going to show you exactly what you need to know about it. If you'd like to get started with Manychat, you can use the link in the description to get started and create your account for free. This is an affiliate link, which means we do get a small commission if you click on it. Let's get into the video. So to kick this off, we're going to go from our homepage to automations on the left hand side. You'll see here where you can create a new automation on the top right. Now this is the magic part. The first way you can use Manychat is by going and looking through all of these templates, and you can really personalize how you use it. The first way is the auto reply in the comments. So let's open this up. And essentially what you want to do is you want to increase engagement. So the more engaging your content is, the more replies you'll get. So over here on the left, the very first thing is the user input. So what will happen here is a user will have a comment on a specific post or a reel. Now I'm going to use this one. You can choose what kind of words they use and what type of words to exclude, or you can just have any comment at all. Once you click on continue, you can choose a list of comments that you can reply. So if somebody is leaving a comment, you can edit the replies that they will receive. And to make it a little bit more natural and organic, you can submit as many replies as you'd like so that each person is kind of getting a different reply. And then what will happen thereafter is you will increase engagement on your posts. Now, if you have the pro version, you can actually do this for every single post and not just one specific post. Let us go back to our automations. Let's create a new automation. And the second way to use Manychat is to have an auto send link to your DM. So let's click on this and you can see they give you a bit of a rundown. So if somebody is commenting on one of your reels or your posts, you can actually send them a personalized message into their DM. So the very first thing again is the user sends a message, and here you can customize if the message contains or is, or as you can see here, the other options, a specific keyword. So you can add your keyword in over here. You can remove some of these keywords if you'd like, and you could really personalize it. You can also change some message conditions. So you can say that the message contains, and you can add certain text. And once you're done here, you're going to go over to the next spot. So this is essentially what will happen when they send the message. So if they're commenting, they will get a reply that says, hey, here's a link to the viral video system, so on. You can change this completely. You can also see that there is a button here. Now, if you click on this, you can change the link. So you can also see that there is a button here. So they'll be able to tap on this button over here. And once they tap on the button, they will be able to receive the link that you are promising them. Now you can completely customize this button. So you can change what it says and how it looks. And once they tap that button, this is what they will see. You can customize this as well. It says, here you go, check out the link. And then you can change all the details, including the delay in between all of these messages. Now let's go back to automation. I'm going to show you the third and final way that you can use Manychat. Now, again, from these templates, you can go down and you can look for, I think, what is my favorite, the grow your YouTube. So once you go in here, you'll be able to set up a flow that looks like this and redirect people to your YouTube channel. So let's say setup template. And here, the very same thing, you are going to set up the user input. So the very first message. So when somebody comments, you are going to keep it as if message is, and you are going to add in keywords that you would like. Once you are done, you can say save, and you're going to go over to this section. This section is the first message that they will receive. Here you can personalize the input variables. So if you want the comment reply to say hi, first name, last name, whatever detail you'd like to add in there, you can add it in. Over here, you can add a button. So you can choose from one of these pre-made buttons, or you can go and you can start another automation completely, or you can select an existing step in our flow. Once you've set this up, you can again change the delay, and then the person that is commenting will see this message. Again, you can add that button in over there, and you'll be able to set up a subscribe button. If you click on the open website, you can put your website in over here and just make sure that it is the home page. We'll have the option to click on the subscribe button. Once you're done with any one of these flows, you're just going to go and click on set live. This will be live and active once you're happy with all of these settings. This is an awesome way to use Manychat to grow any type of business using any type of social media.